Hey LonaCamp family! Today's project we're transforming this Toyota Prado into a full oval landing rig just under 2 hours. After removing the plastic covers on the roof rails, we unscrewed the bolts. Once the mounts were taken off, we sealed the bolt holes with high quality silicone to prevent water or dust from getting in. Next, we installed our custom aluminum mounting brackets using 8mm bolts directly into the factory holes. To ensure long-term durability, all bolts were tightened with a pneumatic impact wrench. Quick, consistent, and reliable. After that, we leveled all the brackets to make sure they were perfectly aligned. This part is super important. It keeps the tent stable and helps it sit nice and flat without any tilting or extra pressure on the frame. Then we mounted 3 lightweight aluminum crossbars, totaling just 6 kilograms. They rest precisely on the brackets. Since the center of the roof has a slight curve, we mount the middle crossbar first, about 3 centimeters above the roof. Then we use it as a reference point to align the front and rear crossbars accordingly. Next, we use the crane to gently lower the tent onto the mounting system. While this makes the job easier, the tent is light enough to lift manually with 2 people if needed. We take the lock nut, slide it into the raised channel, and line it up with the mounting hole. Once it's in position, we go ahead and tighten it down. And finally, we fasten the last 18 bolts, securing the tent firmly in place. Then we prepped and mounted the supports for the awning onto the crossbars under the tent. Since the awning measures 2.5 meters, we used 3 supports to hold it securely in place. So while our main thing is making rooftop tents, believe me when I say that having one isn't just about the gear, it's a lifestyle. You can set up this rooftop home in less than 30 seconds. And all 3 doors have mosquito netting, so you'll stay comfortable even in hot and humid conditions. For more videos on tent installations and camping tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos. Bye bye!